Hi, my name is Naomi Hia. Today I'll be presenting about labor and delivery nurse. Labor and delivery nurse, also known as prenatal nurses, assist pregnant women throughout the childbirth experience, meaning early labor, delivery, postpartum period, and they encourage patients during contractions and also give advice on pain management. Some skills a prenatal nurse should have is communication skills, measure vital signs, and use various medical equipment and emotional stability. First year nurses usually get $74,800, second year $102,924, and the national salary is $61,333, and experienced labor and delivery nurse is $95,300 per year. The daily schedule for a prenatal nurse is working to midnight to noon. They work 3 days and have 4 days off. While they are in their shift, they usually monitor the mother's vital signs and the baby's heart rate, watch out for any problems that may occur, and they are not working alone. They have a team of nurses, and yeah. Some prenatal nurses work at hospital units, birth centers, or attend home births, and labor and delivery nurses care for women and their newborn babies. Nurses observe patients' baby's temperature and pressure, and they are constantly getting paged for any type of emergency. The outlook for prenatal nurses is considered to be a competitive position, and most hospitals prefer higher degrees such as a bachelor's degree, and they want people that are ready to take challenge, and this occupation can be very stressful as well. Some benefits of being a labor and delivery nurse is able to give mothers the knowledge and establishing confidence and being prepared to care for a patient and their baby, and involved in one of a woman's most memorable moments. So if you want to be a labor and delivery nurse, you should have an associate's degree in nursing or a bachelor's of science is required. You have to be licensed, so you have to pass your RNCOB exam and have experience with hands-on labs and all that. Prenatal nurses' involvement are as ready for labor or it's welcoming a new baby in the world, and some people may consider this job as a very stressful job again, and usually nurses wear scrubs, pants, and supportive footwear because they're going to be spending hours on their feet and getting paged constantly. Environments labor and delivery nurses work at is hospitals, clinics, and birth centers. So how can you get started is you are in high school and you should take science courses, meaning anatomy, biology, and chemistry, and also regular courses, so 4 years in English, 4 years of taking math, and if your school does have a medical class, you should take it and volunteer at your local hospital. And that's all to my presentation. I hope you enjoy, and thank you.